Hello everyone, welcome to EasyPy, where learning Python is easy and fun. We're going to start a new playlist for learning Python from scratch and cover everything you need to create awesome projects. I hope you enjoy it. In this video, we'll install everything you need to start coding with Python even if it's your first time. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Python. Go to python.org and download the latest version of Python. Follow along as I show you. I'll put the link in the description. During the installation, make sure to check the box that says, Add Python to Path. This is very important. Then click Install and let the installation finish. After this step, type Python version in the terminal to make sure Python is installed properly. Step 2. Install VS Code. The best tool I can recommend for Python coding is this program because it is free, lightweight, and one of the best Python editors. So, go to code.visualstudio.com and download Visual Studio Code. I will also provide the link to this site in the description. Run the installer and keep the default settings. Once installed, open it. Step 3. Install the Python plugin inside VS Code. Click on the plugins icon in the sidebar. Search for Python and install the official Microsoft plugin. This will help VS Code detect Python files and run your code easily. Step 4. Test your settings. Let's test everything with a simple Python file. Click File, New File, save it as main.py. And type this, print, hello, Python. Now run your program in the terminal as I show you. To run the program in the terminal, we type Python followed by a space and the name of our program. Tada, we have written our first Python program. If you see hello, Python, in the terminal, congratulations. You are ready. This video is over. In the next video, we will write our first real Python code and learn the basics together. So don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video on EasyPy. Goodbye.